What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Minute Masters here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace broken AC/heater vents. So I know for a lot of you guys, this is pretty low on the priority list because, hey, there's like a million other things you can fix, repair, and upgrade on these trucks that are just a lot more interesting and necessary than an AC vent. But I'm trying to make sure that everything inside the cab works and is functional and looks great because I spend a lot of time in here commuting to work, just like probably a lot of you guys. And you know, time adds up. That's days, that's weeks, could be even a month that you spend in there. So why not make the little things work? So to begin this repair, we're going to start by removing this dash bezel because we're going to replace this guy right here, which, as you can see, only functions these, but doesn't function the back ones. Okay, kind of annoying. For the most part, they stay kind of stuck closed, if you can see that. So for starters, you're going to remove the headlight knob. I have a video showing you how to do that, so I won't explain that here. Then what you can do is you're going to pop these trim pieces off. So there's this guy right here. This one's already off. I need to get a clip for it. And you're going to undo this torque screw, and there's another one behind there. After that, this thing is held in with little clamps that you just pop out, and that will give us access to the back side of this, and we can replace it. So let me pop the bezel off, and we'll get back. Here we are, guys. Here's the dash bezel removed. One thing to keep in mind, you will have to unplug your fuel tank selector switch. You'll do that by prying back on this tab gingerly, because you don't want to break it, and it should just pop right off. A helpful tip with getting the bezel out is to shift your truck into first gear. That just puts the lever out of the way, and it just makes getting the bezel up and out much easier. Just keep your parking brake on. Back to our vent. As you will see, it is plastic welded on all four corners. Okay, don't worry, there's gonna be no cutting, no shaving, no welding, nothing. Okay, this is really simple. Watch. So you'll notice this is like a two-piece vent. It's an insert, but it's not designed like this because it's some cool aftermarket thing that someone came up with to fix these vents. No, this is a factory design. Watch. So you'll notice there's this big flat tab right there. You're just going to reach in there with your finger, and you're going to pry at it and pull back, and you notice the vent went down a bit. Okay, let's shift, go to the other side. Let's do the same thing. Pry back and push down. Reach under, and bingo, there's your vent. Pretty cool, huh? So putting it back is just as simple. Just remember the orientation of this control knob, which is that it is the second from the bottom. Let's put that aside. Here's our new guy. So second from the bottom. Let's see if I can not do this one-handed. So just get one end in, get your other tabbies lined up, push them in, and push up. Bingo. And it works like a charm. Here on out, you're just going to put your dash bezel back on. Remember to plug up your fuel selector switch for your tanks, or your truck won't start. Okay, that does happen. Put it all back, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's up. All right, guys, here we are. My nice new vent in place. Up, down, side to side. It works amazingly. Probably my only problem is it makes my other vents look old, dirty, and crappy. But hey, that's old truck life. So as you can see, guys, really simple repair, and it's cheap too. I bought that vent on LMC truck for 14 bucks, and they ship really fast. So consider doing this. There's no excuse to have any broken vents in your truck when it's that simple. So guys, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe icon over here, ring that bell so you know exactly when my videos come out. In the meantime, check out some of my other videos over here. A lot of cool stuff and more to come. I'm Stevie from the Minute Masters. Thanks for watching.